The Castle Doombad demo has been replayed with the full version release of Castle Doombad Classic. It features full touch support and packed with a more than 70 new levels and endless content. You can challenge yourself in this trap-based tower defense game against hordes of goody two-shoed heroes invading your castle. In February month, users from X talk about Castle Doombad. Tesla also did a recall a week ago and give me a new game called Castle Doombad. They give my kid the ability to play games from the back screen and for me to listen to the Apple postcard while I drive. Elon Musk has also mentioned this game by saying Castle Doombad is a great game, one of my personal favorite.